put it together, Michael?
Okay, Michael, put it together.
Come on. Go, Michael, come on.
Okay, let's put the wheels on. Okay, how do you put the wheels on? Go ahead, put it on.
Put it.
No, Sonia, let him do it. You'll get your chance later.
Okay.
Come here, Michael. You try. Put the wheels on. Yep. There's wheels.
This. Here. Pat! This and this.
Michael, use your drill.
Yo. It has to drill.
No. Okay, drill it. Okay, next.
Next wheel. Here. I'll hand out to him. I'll hold it still. What are you doing?
Where's your drill?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Do you want to go? Do that. He likes his new drill.
He loves his drill.
He wants to use it every time.
Oops. He hit you in the face.
No, I did. I
Oh.
was leading on it. It's leading on the
Okay, Michael. You got to put a drill bit in the front. You got to put a bolt in the front.
A bolt? Use a bolt.
Oh, bumper and a bolt.
Two bolts?
You're blocking me, Sonia.
Sorry. Come on, go. Now this. Put this together. Now we drill it on these two holes. I'll do the other, okay? Kind of helping you out.
All done?
My turn. My turn to wake up. No.